Okay, so Doggy Sock Puppets Man and Lord, aka HIV Sock Puppets Man and Slave, Dog Puppet, Puppy Thing, or whatever you want to call him, is a 10-year-old that traces and likes toddler-aimed toys for some reason. I'm not saying that you can't be into that, you can be into that if you want to. I don't really have a problem with that, but I'm just complaining about this Doggy Sock Puppets Man and Lord because he's really cringy. So HIV Sock Puppets a man and slave, whose real name is Doggy Socks Puppets Man and Lord, quote-unquote sock puppets. Most of their videos are done with apps like Sock Puppets, KineMaster, or just poorly produced animations. One day he will try to draw, but he can't even draw a simple stick figure. After all of that babbling, get your bleach and Tide Pods ready, and be prepared for the amount of cringe this user has.
Haters will die! I have many husbands and boyfriends, wives and girlfriends. So, I don't want any haters. If you hate on me, I'm going to do something really, really bad to you. I'm going to stomp on you. Like, I'm going to do it to the haters now. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh, puppets, how dare you trace Wolfie Chew? That's it. Today is punishment day. First punishment, ripping you into pieces. Second punishment, killing your pieces. Last punishment, deleting you. Haha, take that.
Doggy's a bad person! I'm ugly, and he's bad like me!
Wait, what did you say? Die.
Oh no! I'm dying!
Ah, drink bleach. Oh. Autistic Fong, how dare you be racist to me? That's it. You are grounded for 0.00999999999 years. Go to your room right now. Welcome to your worst nightmare. Put them in a diaper. Whip them. Let's do more stuff with them.
That's basically the videos that he doesn't. He acts like a complete child. Now warning to this next clip because it involves nudity and sex and all of that shit.
Blah 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 blah.
And you're going in there!
And I'm staying with my love.
This is giving me a headache.
Whoops, sorry. I destroyed that floppy. Let's kiss.